Okay, for several years, many of you have been asking me to build a swing set with a deck on it. And maybe I got a bit carried away. I mean, a sail that flies in the wind? It's actually one of the easiest things to make and really entertaining for the kids. But this set comes out really solid. It's really fun for the kids. And one of the really nice things about this set is you can build the A-frame structure and the swings in just a few hours and get the kids swinging already. And while they're swinging, you can work on the rest or come back to it later. This set features really tall 10-foot swings, 3 ship mast climbing ropes, one of the ropes on a high-performance swivel so they can spin to their heart's content, a 5-foot deck fashioned like the bow of a ship, an authentic ship steering wheel, a 9-foot wavy slide, an aqua blue shade sail, the color of the ocean, to keep them cool in the sun, with matching climbing rope, and a real pirate's flag at the top of the mast of a large sail that flies freely in the breeze. How cool is this? It even holds up to a strong southern squall. The deck is super simple to make. Always comes out stable and level because it's a triangle resting on 3 legs. There's so many different things you could put on this set. Where I put a crazy spinny seat on a swivel, you could put a climbing cargo net up that whole side of the A-frame that your kids can climb up and throw themselves over the top of to board the scurvy ship. So these are my ideas for a really fun set, based on many years of making play sets and what kids like most. For complete step-by-step instructions for building this set, please watch part 2 of this video. And if you want to see my next fun projects, please like and subscribe. And you can go to my website, roomtozoom.com, for complete lists and links to everything you need to build this crazy fun swing set. And to see other great playsets you can make.